Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a delicious chicken roll filled with ham and cheese, topped with a chile de árbol sauce that goes perfectly with it. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the chicken fillets with salt and pepper to taste on all sides, and once they are done, set them aside for a little bit. Now season the eggs with salt and pepper to taste, then beat them until well beaten, and then set them aside for a minute. Now we're going to season the flour, also with salt and pepper to taste, mix well until combined. And now we're going to cover the chicken fillets with the flour mixture. Cover them on all sides, then shake them a little bit to remove the excess flour, and then set them aside. Now to make the rolls, we're going to place a slice of ham right on the center of each chicken fillet, and on top of it, we're going to add 1.5 slices of cheese. Then we're going to roll this like a taco. Feel free to use toothpicks to keep the roll in place. And just keep on repeating these steps until you're done. Remember, we're going to place a slice of ham right on the center of the chicken fillet, then top it with the cheese, then roll it like a taco, and just keep on doing this. Now we're going to place the breadcrumbs on a plate, season them with salt and pepper, and also add half a tablespoon of dried parsley, mix well until combined, and now we can finish making the rolls. Now we're going to dip the rolls into the egg mixture. You want to cover the rolls really well with the egg wash on all sides, then tap them a little bit to remove the excess egg, and then transfer them onto the breadcrumbs. Cover the rolls with the breadcrumbs on all sides. Then we're going to transfer them to a baking dish. And my baking dish is lined with parchment paper, and I rub it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm just going to place the rolls on my baking dish, then drizzle them with a little more oil, and then I'm going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes or until they are cooked. And once they are done, let them rest for about 2 minutes before serving them. I'm just serving them with a very simple salad, and I'm going to top them with a chile de árbol sauce. This sauce is very popular in the south central of Mexico in a town called Irapuato. I'll be showing you how to make that sauce on my next video, so stay tuned. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!